Hello, this is Sergi. I am a licensed PTA here in California and a physical therapist in the Philippines. Somebody asked me this question: is it worth it to go to physical therapy school if you're already a physical therapy assistant? Hmm. First, I want to ask you, what is your priority? If your priority is self-improvement, or should I say bragging rights? Sorry. Or could be, if you're still young, why not go straight to become a physical therapist? Now, if your priority is just to have money or to increase your salaries, I want to point out that the difference of our salaries from PTA to physical therapist is just like $5 to $10 an hour. You know, my not to mention physical therapists have more responsibilities such as paperwork and everything, whereas physical therapy assistant has less responsibility when it comes to that. I, for one, as a PTA, I was making 130 grand last year, and of course that's including my regular job and my side hustle. So if it is just about money, then just stay to be a PTA. Now, what are the, for instance, you want to be a physical therapist, then I want I want you to consider first the loan. Imagine you're in car. How much is the loan? How much is the school loan? It's, I think, $80,000, the average school loan. Secondly, you have to study for additional 3 years, if I'm not mistaken, or so. And plus, of course, you have to take the board exam again. Anyway, it's your choice, but I wanted to tell you that one of the best physical therapists I ever met was a previous physical therapy assistant. So it's up to you. If your choice is for self-improvement, then be a physical therapist. Now, if it is about money, stay where you are right now. Thank you very much.